Is it too late to buy gold? According to our next guest, not yet. Barry Potekin, he's the VP Managed Accounts for RMB Group, joined us back on the show. Barry, good to have you back on.
Cool, thank you for having me.
So you're liking gold these days, because last time we spoke, you were suggesting burgers over gold, Barry.
Burgers over gold, yeah, food was a play on
Right.
corn. But, well, since then, why have I changed my mind? Well, things have changed. We live in, the world is changing very fast.
And that was 2 years ago, just for the viewers back home. Yeah.
And very unpredictable. What changed? Okay, Donald Trump. Who would have thought 2 years ago, if you would have told me Donald Trump looks like he's probably going to be the next president, I would have said, what? What are you talking
Well, you
about?
and many others, right? Yeah.
And what if you would have told me 2 years ago we're going to have probably negative interest rates in the United States? I would go, what are you talking about? But here we are with Donald Trump and almost negative interest rates. Negative interest rates is a new ballgame for gold.
So I know you've done 2 decades of research on commodities, so you're an expert in commodities. You're liking gold. You don't think the Fed will raise rates then next week?
Okay, I don't think they're gonna, but if they do, so what? How much are they gonna raise them?
So you think 25 basis points
Maybe.
would, okay.
And that's it. So initially, maybe the markets will go down, but they're going to recover. You know, the Fed is really stuck. They are out of bullets. I'm sure you've heard that. And we sort of have, the world is sort of in a mess. And the United States, it looks like we're doing good, but just under the surface, there's a lot of black swans out there that could really hurt us. And I think there's a tug of war going on between deflation and inflation. And that's another reason why I changed my mind on gold, because either way, I think that would be good for gold. Deflation is what we really need. We need a collapse. They should just let the whole thing collapse and the bankruptcies happen. Instead of a 20-story weak building, we'll go down a strong foundation and start over stronger. The problem with that is the pain. Do you remember a movie called Frankenstein?
Yes,
the villagers lit the torches and marched towards the castle. They're mad. Well, there's people all over the world that are angry and making noise. Here, a lot of Trump supporters, not all of them are saying something. Le Pen, people have followed Le Pen in France, Brexit,
Right.
are all over the world, people are unhappy.
So you're a speaker here at the conference. I know you gave your talk. You mentioned 3 reasons people should be owning gold, and you offered some direction. What was your advice?
My advice on gold? Okay, well, besides just owning it outright for the long term, we look for 7, 8, sometimes 10 baggers. It's a phrase, you get 10 times your money back. There's no guarantee by anything that I'm saying. I cannot guarantee anything. But we look for something that has a realistic chance of returning 7, 8, 9, or 10 times your money back. I gave one last March at Investment U on silver, and it turned into an 8-bagger. So we see a situation setting itself up now for gold. And here's what we're proposing. This is a call. So you have limited, you know what your risk could be. We're talking June of 2017, June of 17, and we're proposing that you buy the 1500 call and sell the 1650 call. That'll cost you $1,700. It's the most you could lose. And what we're looking, if we get to 1650, is to make $150 an ounce times 100 ounces, you would get back $15,000. Minus the $1,700 it costs you to do it, you'd make $13,300.
Okay. Barry Potekin's call. So you like gold?
Yes.
You like silver?
Yes.
What else are you liking?
I like gold, I like silver, I like platinum, I like palladium.
And you're still liking burgers?
And I'm still liking burgers. That problem didn't go away. If you remember, I said there's going to be a shortage of food.
Yes.
And one of the black swans, which I talk about, is climate. Everything is the biggest in 100 years, the biggest ever, the biggest. We're going to have some droughts that are, black swans come out of nowhere. So don't think the food thing went away.
All right, Barry Potekin, always good speaking with you. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you for having me.
And thanks for watching our coverage here from the Total Wealth Symposium. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com, so be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.